Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Here's another new unboxing. This is an hard drive enclosure from Orico. It says 2577U3 and I already have this one and there's a second one that I've got for a friend. In our previous video we showed you this new SATA SSD that we had got to revive a laptop in which we are replacing this hard drive with this SSD and planning to use this hard drive as an external drive using this Orico enclosure. I've already tested it because I already had this one which I've been using from last 3 months. Very good speed, supports USB 3 and has fast speed, tool-free design. So overall a good package for a good price. Let's unbox this new one that we have got today. So on the front it says tool-free installation, simply plug and play. USB 3, 2.5-inch drive, fast speed, again tool-free. Nothing on top. On the side, same things which were there in the front. Nothing on this side apart from logo and this barcode. On the back we have some parts in Chinese, rest all in English. Here are all the product details and it says the MRP is 1050 rupees, but I got it from Amazon for 468 rupees and they delivered it in just one day. So let's open it. This is the case. Okay, so first of all we have this manual. We don't really need it. Let's keep this aside and let's see what this is. Some feedback card. This is the cable which we are gonna use to connect it to our laptop, computer, TV, anything that supports USB A. This is USB 3 and let's keep this also to the side. And we have these two cushions for shock absorbents. So it has this rubbery feel to it, feels quite grippy. It opens up like this and this is a Seagate drive that we can install here and it's in the place now. And close the lid and that's it. We've just installed our brand new external hard drive and it's plug and play, so you can start using it right now. Hope you like this video. See you in the next one. Thanks.